surprisingly ahead itong Arellano. Dapat pala hindi tayo ma-surprise kasi talagang maganda.
Actually, hindi ako na-surprise. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, at the start, magandang laban itong ibibigay natin. Gugulatin tayo ng Arellano.
Kasi sabi nga natin, di ba? Lagi naman good start ang Arellano eh. As Benilde will have a steal and the basket.
Yan na nakakatakot. Baka magsimula na naman ang run ng Benilde.
Coach, looking at the numbers, Benilde Blazers had 11 turnovers dun sa first quarter.
Masyadong mataas yung 11 turnovers na yun para sa number 1 team actually. Actually, kahit sa ordinary team, ang 11 turnovers, first quarter, minsan ano na yan, pang isang laruan na nila yan.
That's too close to their average na 17 turnovers a game. Early pa lang ha?
They need to solve yung zone na ginagawa na zone defense ng Arellano. Ito na nga. Baka ito na yung sagot nila.
Morales. That's John Morales from the distance. As we have another report from Christine San Agustin. Christine, ano yan?
Nico, dahil Teacher's Day today, I asked some of the pairs kung sino nga ba ang pinaka-paborito nilang teachers at mentors, and Allen Liwag of the CSB Blazers said that his father, who also shares the love for basketball, is really his biggest mentor when it comes to his career and the discipline that comes with it. Meanwhile, AU Chiefs Basti Valencia shared that his biggest mentor is really Coach Chico Manabat, dahil si Coach daw talaga ang kanyang biggest cheerleader at ang dahilan kung bakit at home siya sa kanyang koponan. We really see how impactful mentors are both on and off the court. So let's see who among them will show what they really learned from them. But for now, back to you guys.
Everyone needs a good mentor, Coach Ralph.
Correct. Ako rin. Ang dami rin. Para sa akin, yun yung magiging malaking factor sa magiging career mo.
Kailangan mong hindi naman sa sundin, more on as a guide.
Everyday maaalala mo yung mga tinuro sa iyo niyan.
At wala masamang sumunod at matuto. As we saw, I think kanina, 5-0 run itong Benilde Blazers.
Magandang adjustment tong ginawa ni Coach Charles. Pinasok niya si Morales. Alam naman natin si Morales, big guy or 4 na kayang tumira from the outside.
Coach, after that first quarter, do you think they're missing itong si Tony Inot?
For sure. Laking bagay si Tony sa Benilde. Alam mo, no question. Alam mo, iba yung ibibigay talaga ni Inot sa game na to. Kung nakakapaglaro siya, yung energy, sinasabi ko yung energy na yan hindi mo na, wala siya sa stats.
Yeah.
Pero mararamdaman mo sa game yun. Every time na bumabagsak yung balikat ng team mo, yung energy na ibibigay mo, yung aggressiveness niya, yung diving for the ball, makikita mo kahit saan yan, makikita mo si Inot.
Yan, Inot is also stabilizer for this Benilde Blazers team. Last time, 8 assists, but ang average niya, 4.7.
Lahat pinupunuan niya yung stats
Sabi nga natin, all-around game ang dapat punan ngayong araw ng mga teammates nitong si Tony Inot as Allen Liwag. 1 out of 2 there.
7-point lead for the Arellano Chiefs.
Arellano with the attack now. Kamay, hindi mabigay dito kay Valencia.
Ayan,
now, Kapulong against Liwag.
Ito yung excited ako
Kapulong can't score against the defense of Allen.
Pag challenge talaga si Liwag sa'yo, hindi mo makikita yung ring
Ito gaganti sa ilalim.
Ito naman.
Liwag. Natapikan, binigay muna sa labas. Sanchez gives it to the trailing teammate, Mintis doon. Great defense from Arellano. Valencia against 2 defenders. Mawawala. Ongotan picks it up.
Wow.
And scores.
Ito yung katumbas naman ni Inot sa AU Chiefs.
8
Ongotan.
points for Timac Ongotan. Nawawala pang bola sa Benilde. Cometa gives it underneath as Liwag malakas doon. Ang bola mananatili sa mga taga-Benilde.
Si Timac Ongotan, ito yun naman yung pangpuno na rin ng stats nila. Napakaliit na player pero siya yung rumi-rebound, siya yung dumadive, siya yung tumatakbo sa fast break.
Torres.
Good
Binigay na lang.
defense. Yung discipline niya, hindi pumalo. Nakataas lang yung kamay.
Great defense once again for Arellano. They have the leather. Kamay gives it. Hindi mabigay dito kay Kapulong. Naungotan. 10 to shoot for Arellano. Valencia. Siya natitira. Valencia will miss.
Hindi nila mapuntahan si Kapulong ngayon. Covered siya ni Liwag eh.
Torres mag-isa sa kaliwa and he will score.
Ian Torres.
Ito yung pwedeng pumalit din sa role na ginagawa ni Tony Inot. He's a point guard pero alam natin ang scoring na kakayanan na ni Torres. He can shoot from the outside. He can direct plays. He can attack the basket. Ito man, tumatakbo na naman ang Binil.
Turnover for Arellano. Great passing. Cometa scores. As Arellano will call a timeout. They're still up 27 to 21. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.
Almost a steal. Actually, he
Completed.
completes the steal. Paeng Are. Bumitin sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow.
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Hang time, ang tagal sa ere.
Our cutie cam is back in the building. I think isa to sa mga foreign exchange students ng CSB Blazers. Napakarami talagang nanonood na cute dito sa PhilOil Eco Oil Center para sa NCAA Season 100.
Actually, Nico, minsan ayoko na mag-comment sa cutie cam na yan eh. Pag uwi ko, napapagalitan ako.
Ayan. Lahat makikita natin dito. As we continue, Arellano still up 27 to 21. Itong Binil Blazers had a mini run on that last time out, coach.
Kasi yung difference nung game ngayon, nagkakaroon ng paramihan ng turnovers. 11 kanina ang Binil. Ngayon humahabol naman ang AU Chiefs na 7 na sila ngayon.
Omotan has the ball and he was fouled and the basket para kay Timac Ongotan. That's his 10th point of the game.
Oo, binibigyan sila ng problema ngayon ni Ungotan. Sino yung matchup na ibibigay sa kanya? Na supposed to be Inot to eh.
Check that. That's the 11th point of Timac Ongotan. Trying to make another one for his 12th point.
Points?
Coach,
Bilis na 12 points yun para kay Ungotan.
Benilde has the leather now. Cometa. Morales. Benilde swinging the ball here. 10 to shoot. Cometa decides to take it inside. Allen Liwag cleaning up and scoring.
Tinutuloy pa rin ng Arellano yung zone nila. Yun, ang kailangan naman nila pag naka-zone yung box out. Ang hirap pigilan ni Liwag dyan sa ilalim na yan.
Mahabang mama itong si Allen Liwag. Valencia spins, naipit. Nag-invento na lang magmimintis dito.
Nico, ang total rebounds ng Arellano is 10 rebounds. No, nasa 10 rebounds na sila. Si Liwag, nakaka-9 rebounds na.
Malakas lang ang paso doon ng Arellano as Timac Ongotan can get hold of that. Bagong pasok sa Benilde Blazers itong si Matthew Ollie, the Agent Zero. Cometa gives it to Ollie. Ancheta sa ilalim kay Liwag, cross court. Ancheta ang titira. Misses.
10th rebound na yan. 10th rebound.
10th rebound of the game.
11th.
Allen Liwag doing the damage.
Lamang na actually sa Arellano. 11-10 sa rebound.
Kailangan na magbabox out dito kay Allen Liwag. Let's see if Kapulong can do it. As Binoya.
May foul talaga yun.
Almost a clean block.
Pero yung anggulo kasi ng arms mo, pag medyo kinuha mo na yung cylinder niya, kahit bola yan, mataas ang percentage, pwede kang tawagan.
As we saw that last shot from Allen Liwag. Rebounding and scoring for Benilde Blazers.
Sorry, 10 rebounds lang pala. Yung isa hindi kinount na rebound.
Pasa yun. Binoya right now at the line. Sinks his first shot. Coach, last time around, Allen Liwag had 17 points, 11 rebounds.
Alam mo,
almost tying yung kanyang rebounding output last game.
Monster talaga to si Liwag eh.
As Binoya sinks both.
Sa pagka magandang araw sa kanya, 2020, madaling-madali. 2020.
Halfway through the second quarter. Pito ang hinahabol ng Benilde Blazers. Oli from way downtown.
Alam mo ng role ni Oli, bakit siyang pinasok ni Coach Charles? Eh, kailangan nila ng shooters to break the zone. You need shooters.
Oli becoming a spacer here.
Miscue.
Another turnover for Arellano.
Pin-overplay, akala nila sisil pa ulit. Sayang, hindi nagkaintindihan doon.
Great recognition mula rito kay Ancheta. Libreng-libre ron itong si Matthew Oli.
Mukhang babalik na samahan ng ang Arellano dahil tumama na nga si Oli.
Liwag has the ball.
They changed their defense to man-to-man.
Anong tawag? Foul muna ang ibibigay ng Arellano. Hindi makasunod si Kapulong eh, no?
Yeah. Ang struggle naman ni Kapulong pag napunta siya ngayon sa mabibilis. Actually, yun yung pinaka-weakness niya. Pero pag napunta ka naman sa ilalim, kakainin ka niya ni Kapulong.
And Liwag is too fast.
Yeah.
At kaya niya postehan.
Yes,
galing sa labas.
Oh, yan yung bentahe talaga ni Liwag. A tall, big, who can run the lanes.
Inbounding is Benilde. Liwag once again against Kapulong. And Liwag will score!
Sarap panoorin, ano?
Naririnig mo yung banggaan eh, no? And look at that. Giant battle we are waiting for.
Yes, kung nandito kayo live, makikita mo yung salpukan sa loob.
That's the second foul, I think, for Lawrence Kapulong.
Yan yung pinag-usapan natin kanina. Bumababa ang playing time ni Kapulong because of his fouls. Yes, because of his fouls.
At mukhang yun ang balak gawin ni Allen Liwag para to free up the lane for him.
Correct.
As he misses the bonus, but Benilde gets another possession.
That's a no-no, no? Free throw, kukuha kayo ng rebound. Magagalit ang coach mo niya.
Sanchez, 5 to work with. Sanchez still has the ball, gives it underneath to Liwag for another score.
Very unselfish play from Sanchez.
Allen Liwag, nagmamama na rito sa ilalim. Borromeo, we're tied now.
Rebound na, umi-score pa.
We're tied now at 32. Kapulong, sasagot. Great defense from Allen. Siya na rin ang magdadala ng bola. Mawawala.
Twice nang binaba ni Liwag yung bola na yan, nagkaroon siya ng turnover.
Benoya drops the pass to Geronimo, but he was fouled. Sayang yun. And look at this attack by Sanchez.
Ganda ng pasa, no?
To Liwag for the easy two. Pero ganda sabihin easy two yun kay Allen.
Madali na sa kanya yan.
As we hear the timeout of Benilde Blazers, we are tied at 32. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, nitong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto ng Kolehiyo de San Juan de Letran ang mga revolusyonaryong sina Apolinario Mabini at
It's a 21-9 run dito sa ating second quarter by Benilde as we see one of the NCAA Management Committee ng College of St. Benilde Blazers. And another one from Perpetual Alta, Sir Francisco Guzzi Jr. Magandang araw po. Napakaganda ng ating laban.
Very exciting. Sabi ko sa'yo, ulit-ulitin natin, wala sa team standings to, wala sa win-loss record to.
Kanina si Sir Dax Castellano ng CSB Blazers. As Geronimo,
Dumikit na yung Benilde.
sixth and first one.
Actually, nung time na nag-change ng defense ulit ang Benilde, kaya ang Arellano, bumalik sila sa man, doon nag-start yung run ng Benilde. Nagkakaroon sila ng mismatches dito pag nakaman sila
Allen Liwag leading the charge on that 21-9 run by the Blazers. Sanchez also doing well on distributing the ball.
Akala mo lang, tahimik lang si Sanchez, pero nagpa-facilitate talaga siya
As Liwag loses the ball, but Blazers will maintain possession.
Aatakihin ni Sanchez, didish off niya lang yung pasa, ganun kadali.
Mahaba rin to si Sanchez, coach, kaya kitang-kita niya rin.
Yan yung mga hinahanap mo na player ngayon. Ang galing niya pang umatake for his height, yung dribbling skills niya.
Ito, kinapitan daw ni De La Cruz. Dito na, sabi ko kanina sa'yo, naguguluhan ako, magkamukha kasi.
Ang lalaki kasi, no? Nakita natin yung last play na yun, yung baseline na play, inbound play from Benilde. Every time na nandun si Liwag sa paint na yan, ibabato lang nila. Abot na abot ni Liwag
Liwag right now. Tingnan natin ilan ang puntos itong si Liwag. 11 points and 10 rebounds. Early double-double for Allen.
Told you, ang 2020 may kaya 2020 sa kanya.
Leading the charge naman for Arellano is Timac Ongotan. Liwag missing his first shot.
Yan ang kailangan trabahuan ni Liwag. Dahil alam naman natin, very dominating nga siya Ang defense talagang ika-clubber siya. Every time na nandiyan sa loob, pipisikalin siya. Kaya ang free throw, madalas dadalhin talaga siya dyan.
Now we're seeing the rotation nitong mga magbabantay for Allen Liwag. Against Allen Liwag. Si De La Cruz naman, ang pinasok kanina. Libang naman ngayon ulit.
Kailangan nilang pagurin si Liwag
Libang done a great job.
Libang, maganda yung start niya.
On the first quarter.
Meron siyang dalawang putback. Time ni Liwag na nandun yun.
Hernal fakes and scores.
Very athletic, no? Pag si Hernal lang nasa loob, nagiging creative siya
2 minutes, 26 seconds remaining sa ating first half. As Liwag still in the game, walang kapaguran. Torres, 10 to shoot.
Nice anticipation by Libang.
Tatakbo na itong mga taga-Arellano. Gives it to Abiera. Abiera, two-man game, pero diniretso na.
Ganda ng pick and roll na yun.
Almost another turnover for Benilde Blazers. Muntik pang maabutan to ng 8 seconds. Sanchez at the post against Abiera. Kalawin. And
sayang.
Justin Sanchez. Everything but the shot there.
Ito
As we see the shot by Hernal Mintes. Ay, ito ba yung pasok?
Ganda ng defense ni Morales doon, pero better offense. Ito yung atake ni Abiera.
This guy is inspired after that last game.
Ang confidence level niya, alam mong mataas going to this game.
Sumagot ang Arellano after that run by Blazers. They're still up by 5. 37 to 32.
Tinanggal nila yung zone, nagman sila, pero diniinan nila yung pressure from the backcourt.
As Justin Sanchez 1 out of 2. Under 2 minutes remaining. Arellano will try to hold on sa kalamangan na ito going to the second half. Abiera, another turnover by the Gray Shirts. Kala
Binulat
ko,
tayo ni Jeronimo.
re-recta sa atin. Medyo kinabahan tayo doon, Coach. Ikaw, sanay ka ron eh.
Oo, pakita mo naman si Jeronimo, ready rin eh.
37 to 33. Oli, anong tawag dito? Foul away from the ball. Abiera ang tatawagan. Grabe raw ang depensa kay Justin Sanchez. Penalty na. Ang parehong kupunan.
Malaking bagay yan. 2 free throws.
Let's see the contribution of Justin Sanchez. 2 assists and 2 points for Justin.
For the mga next quarter, ito, actually may 1 minute pa, nakikita mo nagiging aggressive na si Sanchez. Alam mo, pinupuntahan na rin siya. Alam mo, ina-atake niya na rin every time na nasa kanya yung bola.
Justin Sanchez is also a scorer din talaga. I saw this guy way before his NCAA days right now.
Yeah.
At talagang nakita ko kung gaano kagaling umiscore tong bata.
Very ano siya eh. Ibig sabihin, kaya niyang tumira sa labas, kaya kanyang atakihin. Ang daming anggulo ng offense niya na pwede kang magkaroon ng problema.
As he sinks both free throw.
2 points na lang yan.
We're having a good game, Coach.
Told you. Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Oh, sige, ganito lang. We're having a good first half.
Yes. Again, ito pa rin yung challenge natin sa Arellano.
How to close out.
Yeah.
As Hernal spins, drives and misses. As we see Allen Liwan down on the floor.
Hindi natatakot si Hernal kay Liwa. Nakita mo yun, ha?
Nasabitan yata upon that hop nitong si Cyril Hernal. Malaki kang mama. Makikita mo nasa floor ka. Masakit talaga.
Mukhang sa sensitive part pa tatamaan eh.
Let's see here how it turned out on that spin ba? Ay, di pa. Malayo pa si ayun.
Okay.
Sa box out nakuha.
Hindi naman sinadya ni Hernal. That's the instinct actually.
Nagkataon na nasa taas eh.
So pagpa-box out ka, ang unang ano mo talaga ilalabas mo, yung wings mo eh.
Let's see what will be the call. Regular foul.
Ilang foul na ba si Liwag? Malaking fact. Kasi pwedeng makakuha ng 2 fouls to. Malaking bagay ito sa Benilde.
Yung foul kanina, Coach, yun yung pagkatira.
Okay.
Pagkatira
Yung challenge sa layup. Yeah.
Let's see here. Close angle there. Kahit gano'n ka kalaki, tutupi ka talaga. As Hernal will have his 2 shots, pero sa una, mintis lang.
Yan yung mga part ng katawan mo na ayaw mong tatamaan talaga. Titiklop ka talaga after that.
Second shot for Cyril Hernal. One minute, 9 seconds remaining in the first half. Arellano still up, 38 to 35. Benilde still finding ways.
So, dapat maging maingat yun, ang sinasabi ko nga eh. Dapat maging maingat na si Borromeo. Alam naman nila nasa penalty sila.
Kitang-kita ni Coach Ralph yun.
Ang
Too aggressive.
Yeah. Minsan babawasan mo na yan eh.
Ayun. Nakakapit na itong si Borromeo kay Torres. A chance here for Benilde to close it up.
Yes, 3 to 4 plays to go. Malaking bagay ito kung ma-hold ng Arellano itong lead na to eh.
Both teams, coach, are missing their free throws. 6 out of 11 for Benil. 9 out of 18
50%.
for Arellano.
50%, mababa yan. Parang last game, ganun din sila eh. 50%.
18 is too many, ha?
Yeah.
1 out of 2 for Torres. Under a minute remaining. Arellano with the attack. Geronimo gives it to Hernal. This is the spin again. Masyado malakas. Great defense by Benil. And the ball will go back to the green shirt.
Ganda ng challenge ni Eusebio rin. Pero kita mo yung Hernal. Actually si Eusebio, high leaper na to eh. Pero nasa taas pa yung kamay ni Hernal.
Walang aim eh. Ayun, no? Malinis na depensa ko.
Ines, ganda yung challenge.
That's Jose Eusebio. Torres against Geronimo. Decides to pull up the trigger.
Nice pull up by Torres. Yun yung mga in-expect naman sa kanya every game. Very smart player, very patient.
You expected Torres to pass the ball.
Yeah, that's the third deadlock of the game.
Abiera will be fouled once again.
And penalty na naman. Free throw na naman tayo.
Bumabagal ang ating laro because of those free throws. As we see this Ancheta pull up, faking a handoff and deciding to pull it off.
Very smart player.
As Abiera sinking his first shot.
Oh, last play na to sa Benil. Tingnan natin kung kanino sila pupunta.
They have Torres, Cometa, Liwag, Sanchez, and Eusebio to end this first half. Against the defense of Hernal, Libang, Abiera, Borromeo, and Geronimo. 16.8 remaining in this first half. Cometa has the ball. Waving Torres. Asking for Allen Spig. Cometa decides to pull up. He will miss. Sanchez will be fouled. That's a bailout foul from Arellano, coach.
Bigat no? Nakuha ka na ng offensive rebound. Pumaul ka pa.
Pwede na natin tawagin great defense eh. 0.7 seconds remaining.
Again, yun na laging sinasabi ng coaches. Hindi natatapos ang defense after challenging a shot. No? Kailangan talaga bumax out ka, then dive for the ball, get the ball.
Imagine if that's a game winner or game tying shot.
Yeah, actually maraming game ang Arellano Chiefs na kailangan supposed to be sa kanila na. Pero because of giving offensive rebounds, napupunta pa sa kabila yung game.
As Sanchez at the free throw line and couldn't tie this game off. And after the first half, Arellano still leading by a thread, 40-39. Marami pang basketball, magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.